Hello, in today's demonstration video we will be showing how to apply an aircraft registration made in ORATEX EasyPlot to the fuselage of an aircraft. Choose a dust-free, well-lit environment. Essential tools for the job include lint-free wipes, IPA, isopropyl alcohol, masking tape, sharp scissors, craft knife, modelling iron or similar felt blade. To start the application process, it is essential that the fuselage is cleaned. Lift up the registration and using masking tape that you have previously applied as a top hinge, carefully clean the fuselage using lint-free wipes and isopropyl alcohol. When you are cleaning the fuselage, it is essential that the wipes are not used to spread contamination. For each progressive cleaning stroke, fold the wiper to reveal a new cleaning surface. Drop down the registration and carefully cut between the registration letters vertically to the upper hinge point. This will allow you to apply one letter at a time, carefully positioning them on the fuselage. Carefully peel back the registration backing from the transfer paper. Apply gently from the top down, ensuring that you avoid any wrinkles, smoothing down with the felt blade. This ensures that you minimize the possibility of air bubbles and wrinkles being trapped under the registration you are applying. The use of an iron at a medium setting, approximately 100°C, will ensure that the acrylic adhesive bonds to and fuses with the covering. Continue progressively along the fuselage, applying each letter individually. Should you find that the letter is not released from the transfer film, reapply it to the surface, apply downward pressure and carefully peel back the transfer film. Should you find yourself confronted with a wrinkle, such as in this section of the video, carefully lift the EasyPlot from the surface with a craft knife and then reapply it, smoothing down with a felt blade, ensuring minimum finger contact with the adhesive side of the registration letter. Once you've got the registration onto the fuselage, go over the letters with your iron set at medium temperature and smooth down with a felt blade. Be aware that you might see some colour change of the letter when you apply heat. This is perfectly normal and it will recover to its original colour as it cools down. So aircraft registration application can be as simple as that. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more educational films on aircraft covering and construction. Also like and subscribe to our videographer Francis Mobley Films.